Higdon, and I'm an eyewear engineer. Anyone who uses their eyewear and actually is active in them should care about safety of their eyes. The Punisher could simulate a big rock shooting out, a tree branch getting whipped in your face, a baseball line drive at your face, the impact of your face hitting the road. Revant lenses do very well compared to the competition. They're intact, they stay in the frame and protect the eye, whereas other ones, the drop missile goes right through them. I've been to eyewear brands and manufacturers all over the world. You don't see this test at those other places. Safety and performance is a priority for Revant.